I'm Stephanie and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to push myself and try something new, so I decided to create a wine glasses design at the bottom of the stand. I poured the colors in a puddle and did a blowout. After that I dipped the glass in it and let it dry. Once dried, I applied a thin coat of clear resin, and now it's my favorite glass. So the color I'll be using are Prussian blue by Amsterdam, iridescent green blue by Pebeo, violet by Iridescent, iridescent neon pink by Iridescent, and iridescent gold by Pebeo. I'm inviting you to subscribe to my channel to follow my art journey and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.